Rahul Dravid is the front-runner to take over as India's next head coach, a position that Ravi Shastri has been holding since 2017. Dravid's name was always doing the rounds, but still, there were no confirmations if he eventually will take up the job. But the BCCI may have finally managed to crack the code and convince the wall. Here's a report.
Will he or won't he? That was always the question. After months of speculations, Rahul Dravid, it seems, has finally agreed to take over as Team India's head coach. Ravi Shastri's tenure ends after the T20 World Cup in the UAE, and the BCCI has managed to convince the wall to take over. Dravid's name has been doing the rounds for quite some time, but he was too reluctant to walk into that dressing room. Dravid, who was the director of National Cricket Academy, met the top BCCI office bearers during the IPL final in Dubai, where Board Secretary Jai Shah and President Sourav Ganguly finally managed to get a yes from him. When Shastri was appointed the head coach after the unceremonious exit of Anil Kumble in 2017, it was agreed that Dravid will join the coaching staff as a batting consultant, but that never happened. As head coach of the India under-19 teams and India A teams, Dravid has had many fruitful results. Dravid was at the helm when India finished runners-up in the 2016 under-19 World Cup that had future stars like Rishabh Pant and Ishan Kishan.
There it is! India lift the under-19 World Cup.
Couple of years later, in 2018, India did one better, lifting the under-19 World Cup with Prithvi Shaw and Shubman Gill in the ranks.
They've been outstanding.
Once Dravid has thrown his hat in the ring, it is unlikely that there will be many contenders to challenge him for the top job. Having won many battles for India in his heydays, a fresh challenge awaits him, especially with a change in guard as Virat Kohli is set to step down as captain in the T20s in a month's time. Sports Bureau, India Today.